Hello everyone, today we will be looking at ReConvert Upsell tutorial for Shopify. Upselling is one of the most powerful techniques to increase the value of a customer's order in e-commerce. If you're running a Shopify store, one of the best apps available for upselling is ReConvert. This app is designed to help you increase your average order value by offering personalized upsell and cross-sell opportunities to customers right after they make a purchase. ReConvert is a powerful Shopify app that focuses on post-purchase upselling. Instead of interrupting the shopping process with pop-ups and ads, ReConvert enables you to display customized offers on the thank you page after a customer completes a purchase. This offers a non-intrusive way to maximize your revenue while improving the customer experience. With ReConvert, you can offer personalized product recommendations, provide discount codes or offers on future purchases, promote related products to increase your average order value. Use a drag and drop editor to customize your upsell page. Installing the ReConvert app. Before you can begin upselling, you need to install the ReConvert app on your Shopify store. Here's how you do it. Access the Shopify App Store. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for ReConvert. Click on the app and then select Add App. Install the app. Once you're on the ReConvert app page, click Add App. You'll be prompted to log into your Shopify store if you haven't already. After logging in, Shopify will ask permissions to access your store's data. Review these permissions and click Install App to proceed. Connect ReConvert to your Shopify store. After installation, ReConvert will guide you through a setup wizard. Click Start Setup to begin. ReConvert will sync with your Shopify store, importing relevant product data so it can recommend upsell items. Setting up your first upsell campaign. Once installed, you can start creating your first upsell campaign. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to the ReConvert dashboard. From your Shopify admin panel, go to Apps and click on ReConvert. You'll be taken to the ReConvert dashboard, where you can create and manage your upsell offers. Step 2. Create a new post-purchase offer. On the dashboard, click Create New Offer to start a new upsell campaign. You'll be given the option to choose from different types of upsell offers, such as product upsell, recommend related or complementary products to the customer. Discount offers provide a discount on a future purchase. Bundle deals offer a package of products at a reduced price. Step 3. Select the offer type. Choose the upsell type that fits your needs. For example, if you are selling a skincare product, you might offer a complementary product like a serum as a product upsell. Once you have selected the offer type, you will move to the next screen where you can customize the details. Step 4. Customize the offer. For product upsell, you can select the product or products you want to upsell. ReConvert will automatically suggest products based on your inventory, or you can manually select them. For discount offers, you can create discount codes for specific products, categories, or orders above a certain amount. If you want to offer bundle deals, you can select multiple products and bundle them together at a special price. Step 5. Set the display conditions. Choose when you want the upsell offer to appear. For example, you can show it on the thank you page immediately after the customer completes the purchase, or you can show it later through email follow-ups. You can also set the offer to appear based on certain customer behaviors, such as order size or product type. Step 6. Save your campaign. Once you have customized your upsell offer, click Save and Activate to launch your campaign. ReConvert will automatically integrate the upsell offer with your Shopify store's checkout process. Customize your thank you page. One of the main features of ReConvert is the ability to create a fully customizable thank you page where upsell offers are displayed. Here's how to customize it. Step 1. Go to the thank you page editor. From the ReConvert dashboard, click on Thank You Page Editor. You'll be taken to a drag and drop interface where you can customize the layout and content of your thank you page. Step 2. Customize the layout. ReConvert gives you a variety of pre-designed templates for your thank you page, which you can easily modify to suit your brand. You can add sections like personalized message, greet your customers and thank them for their purchase, upsell offers, display product recommendations, discounts, and bundle deals. Reviews include product reviews or testimonials to encourage more purchases. Step 3. Add upsell elements. Drag and drop upsell elements such as upsell product carousel, display related products that the customer might be interested in, discount banner, Show a banner with a discount code for the next purchase. Custom forms. Capture additional information for future marketing efforts. Step 4. Preview and save. Once you have finished designing your thank you page, click Preview to see how it looks. If everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Setting up post-purchase upsell offers. In addition to showing upsell offers on the thank you page, ReConvert allows you to send upsell offers through post-purchase emails. Here's how to set that up. Step 1. Navigate to the post-purchase email section. From the ReConvert dashboard, click on Post-Purchase Emails. You'll be taken to a section where you can create automated emails to send after a customer makes a purchase. Step 2. Design your email. Similar to the thank you page editor, ReConvert allows you to use a drag-and-drop email editor to design your post-purchase email. Include personalized product recommendations, discount codes, or special offers tailored to each customer. Step 3. Set triggers and timing. You can decide when to send the email. For example, you can send it immediately after the purchase or 24 hours later to give customers some time before offering them more products. You can also set conditions for who will receive the email, such as customers who spent above a certain amount. Step 4. Save and activate. Once your email is ready, click Save and Activate to start sending your post-purchase upsell emails. Analyzing ReConvert performance. After your upsell campaigns are live, it is important to track their performance to understand how well they are performing. Here's how you can do that. Step 1. Go to the Analytics section. From the ReConvert dashboard, click on Analytics to view key metrics. ReConvert provides detailed data on revenue generated from upsells, conversion rates for each upsell offer, customer behavior data, example, how many customers click on your upsell products. Step 2. Review your campaigns. Review each upsell offer to see how it is performing. If one is underperforming, you can edit it or create new offers to try. Step 3. Optimize your upsell strategy. Use the data from the Analytics section to refine your upsell strategies. For instance, if a particular product upsell is performing well, you might want to create more similar offers for that product page. Best practices for maximizing your upsells with ReConvert. To make the most of ReConvert, keep these best practices in mind. Test different offers. Experiment with various upsell types such as product recommendations, discount codes, and bundle deals. Offer time-sensitive deals. Creating urgency can encourage customers to act quickly. Consider adding countdown timers to your upsell offers. Personalized offers. Use customer data to offer relevant products based on their previous purchases. A/B test. Regularly test different layouts, offers, and email templates to see what works best for your audience. And that is all there is on ReConvert Upsell tutorial for Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video.